Hey guys, welcome back once again. Guys, in this video I am going to review of Easy Pro Funnel V2. So what is Easy Pro Funnel V2 and why you should use Easy Pro Funnel V2? So without wasting any time, I am going to start this video right now. Before I start this video, I know how much importance of conversations in affiliate marketing. Being an affiliate marketer, I can understand how much problems you can face and how you can solve all problems. But guys, if a beginner starts affiliate marketing, he faces a lot of problems like how to create landing pages, how to create funnels, how to create email marketing, how to create this, that, all this stuff. Hi guys, as you see, I am on a computer screen of a landing page of Easy Pro version V2. So before I start this video, I have a huge bonuses waiting for you. So what is the bonuses? So let's jump into the bonus section. Guys, if you just go through my link, which will be found in description box, you will get my huge bonuses. You're gonna blow your mind after watching this video. I have just cracked how to use free traffic for our affiliate marketing business. So I just created everything in details, complete organic affiliate marketing series and my strategies for you. So I just created everything in detail and step by step, how you can create account, how you can do niche research, how you can pick good products for affiliate marketing, how to do niche research, how to do micro niche research, how to do SEOs and all this stuff in everything in detail, step by step, and how more and more content in this course. Guys, I have just created how you can create unlimited free content for your affiliate marketing business. I have just gone through every step which you want to do in affiliate marketing, and I am planning to do more and more content for you, and I will upload every new latest strategy of my which I am using in my currently business. So I will upload more and more videos coming soon as you hyper. So in the bonus number 2, I have very huge bonuses for the limited time. If you grab this opportunity, just go and grab this opportunity. So guys, in this bonus number 2, I have a personal support for you. I am giving a personal support for you. You can talk directly with me. I can solve your all entire affiliate marketing problems. I will give you solutions of your problems. So you can directly contact me and we can talk directly so that you could clear all your doubts and everything in details. So this is my huge bonus number 2, and this is the priceless bonus, guys. This is the priceless bonus. Just go with the link which will be found in description box so that you can grab this opportunity. So let's jump into the landing page section. So what is Easy Pro Funnel V2, guys? This is the complete software based on cloud, and it will be helping all the beginner affiliate marketers to create all this stuff you want, like funnels, landing pages, all this stuff. Okay, so as you see here, the easiest and simplest way to build amazing affiliate promotional funnels, generate high quality leads, convert visitors, and finally generate revenue you want. So if this is the presentation video, I will go through this video also. Just scroll down, what will you get? So build perfect affiliate funnels and landing pages fast and get more conversion, more sales using what we believe in the simplest funnel builder forever. So guys, this is the founder of this software called MadGrid. If you just scroll down, and there is the caption called affiliate marketing is no different. Are you struggling to even get started? Does the journey to success look a long way off? If you just scroll down, you can read this all stuff on the landing page, guys. If you just scroll down, here is the all stuff you want. So how you can create landing pages and complete affiliate campaigns in a second. So all this stuff you can read. Okay, what you don't need any kind of technical skills, guys. You don't need to create any websites. Don't need any kind of affiliates sales history. You don't need any experience, guys. Basically, you don't need any experience. You have all done for you inside this. You don't need any kind of technical knowledge, skills. You don't need to write any copywritings. So all this stuff is made in one software, guys. Just you come here and grab this. So if you just scroll down, what inside Easy Pro Funnel V2 you will get. So one click section of hundreds of affiliate products. Here is a lot of affiliate products. You can promote it, add more, promote affiliate products from any network like JBZ, Warrior Plus, Clickbank, or any more. Hundreds of free products for lead magnet and bonuses. You can give these bonuses to your audience, guys. You can give these bonuses to your any kind of lists. If you have any kind of list, you can give these kind of bonuses for free. Use your own free products, proven high converting products, create custom landing pages and sales funnels, supports all auto responders, automated affiliate products promotion, give away free offers and build your list, landing pages, add web hosting, download and host of your websites, one click testing before you live go, done for your affiliate campaigns, discount. So this is the all stuff what you get inside this. So if you just scroll down, here is one presentation video. So let's start the presentation video, guys.
Hi, welcome to the all new Easy Pro Funnels version 2. I just want to give you a quick run through of how easy it is to create affiliate campaigns in Easy Pro Funnels. So here on the getting started page, I'm just going to enter a niche or subject. I'm going to go internet marketing in this example. Then I just need to get started, and it'll open up the main form for me to be able to create my campaigns. Now, first I ask for a funnel name, but I'm going to skip that just for the moment. I'm going to go and select an affiliate product. So we're looking at creating let's say a funnel here, or an affiliate campaign. So let's click the affiliate product selection, and it will automatically open up a number of internet marketing products, in this case from ClickBank for us. And as you can see up here, we've got make money online, or promote video apps, pending biz ops. What else we got here? Kindle Money Master, free traffic system. So let's take this free traffic system for the moment. So I'm just going to say where it says click to add. So I'm going to click that in, and that'll go off. And what you can see now, it pulls a snapshot of the sales page up here and starts to build my funnel visually, so I can see what's going on. And the right hand side, you'll notice it starts to populate the actual landing page, so I can see what that looks like as well. Okay, so we've got a paid product or an affiliate product in the funnel. So let's now add a free product. So if I just click in there to select a free product, it will open up the pop-up for me. I select internet marketing in here, and I need to select a product suitable for this. Now, this is a free traffic system, and quite honestly, everybody wants traffic. So you could probably promote the front end of this with a free offer of pretty much anything. So I'm just going to look in through here. You could, for instance, foolproof ClickBank mindset. So anybody looking or interested in working on ClickBank is definitely going to be wanting some free traffic, so that's a good selection. As you see, I'll select that in. It now builds my list visually, or builds my funnel visually, and I can see I've got my free offer on the left hand side, and on the right hand side my paid offer. And also you see it's populating within the landing page as well. So I could change this if I want to. I can if I just click back on there, it'll reopen the window for me, and I could look along and find something else. Affiliate marketing master plan. So again, anybody interested in affiliate marketing is also going to be interested in making or generating free traffic. So that might be a useful free product to put on the front end of that. So I'll stick with that one for the moment. Now, next down, we've got the lead magnet template. That's how the visual look of this actual landing page over here. So if I just click on that, I get a number of different templates come up. So this is a one for making money, so I could perhaps select one with the money on here. As you see, that just changes the visual of that one, so I'll stick with that one for the moment. What I can do now is I can add in a JavaScript or an HTML web form. Now, a web form is the form that people can opt in with. So if you want to collect emails, you need to add a web form in there, and that's very straightforward. You don't need to add a web form in, but of course it's recommended that you try and build an email list. That's always the best way to go. But if you don't want to, you don't have to. You can leave that out, and it will generate this automatically, but we won't collect the emails in the process, of course. So if I go, I'm just going to go to my Aweber account that I've already got opened up here under Publish, where I can just copy this JavaScript snippet, which is a JavaScript of the sign-up form. You could also select the raw HTML version. You know, either one will work perfectly well. And this is the same, pretty much the same for any autoresponder. So let me just copy that one, and let me go back to my create funnel, and I can just drop that in there, just literally paste that in there. And you see when I come out, it'll add a form into the bottom there for me. Okay, so this just gives me an idea of what this is going to look like when it goes live. So the next thing I've got here is this contact privacy policy, disclaimer, customization. So basically I just need to put in something like a contact email address and a website name and a website URL. This is for the automatic creation of the contact details and privacy policy, etc. And next we've got a call to action and a tagline. The call to action will appear at the top of the page and the tagline will appear down here on the left. So we're looking affiliate marketing master plan is what we're promoting there. So let me select something, like I say, start earning online today. For a call to action, a tagline, I could put something along the lines of affiliate marketing is the easiest way to start earning online. Okay, and if I just click there, you can see it comes out, start earning today, and affiliate marketing is the way to start earning online. And you can of course put anything in there you want. Okay, you can also change the color scheme on here. Down here you can select a color for the text and the Get It Now button. And similarly you can change the form background color down here as well, and you can even add a profile picture of yourself or a logo picture to the landing page as well. Okay, so when all that's done, I just need to go back and put the funnel name in. The reason I left it is because I kind of tend to call it, I'll take it from the affiliate product name, so I'll call that the free traffic system campaign 1 as an example. And now I can go and create the actual funnel. So I create the funnel and it takes me here. I've got a number of options when I get here. Now the obvious thing, I can test the registration page and I can test the thank you page. So let me test what it actually looks like. There we are, there's the page offering our free product. It says Get It Now. When I click Get It Now, it'll pull up and get me the form to put my name and email in there to collect that. In the case of if you don't put a form in there, it'll automatically jump to the thank you page. And if I go back here now, I can test the thank you page as well. So you can see that once they've subscribed or click the button, then you can see what they get. And they get a confirmation of the product. You also get down here 2 links. Access your offer, and that's actually your paid offer, your affiliate offer, and click here to access your free gift. Now if they click the little link, they'll go up to their free gift, but I'll just go back here a moment. And if they don't click this button, then by default after a few seconds it will actually automatically send them to the offer as well. So there's now your paid affiliate offer. Other options you've got here, you can export that as a backup so that you can then edit that and re-update it later. You can also download the funnel so you can put it up onto your own host if you want, put it on your own web server or your own website, but you can also upload it to the cloud. If I just click that one, that'll now upload it automatically to the cloud. Take a few seconds. When that's done, I can now test that. So it says that your funnel can be uploaded to Amazon S3 by clicking the upload button, which is what we've just done. And to open the funnel, use the following URL. So that's the URL you would then use to promote the actual campaign or the offer. And I can test the offer again, make sure that this is the actual live page now, and again that this works. Get it now, and it brings your form up. And similarly, I can test a thank you page, which is where it will send it after it's been completed or after you've signed up. Okay, and we can go back and edit that page as we want. So there we are. That's how simple it is to create a funnel or an affiliate campaign. And of course we've got our traffic drivers down here, which we can send to Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, etc. So if I go to Twitter, for instance, it'll open up my Twitter post for me, and there we are. Don't miss my latest offer. Start earning online today. And it puts the offer link in there for me, and then I can post that to Twitter and do whatever I want with it. So there we go, very simple. And if I'm not happy with that, I can still go back and edit my entire funnel. That's how quick and simple it is to create affiliate funnels. So you literally could be earning today. Find the button below and click that button.
So guys, as you seen the presentation video, and if you see here is money back guarantee for you. If you're not satisfied this software, you can just go and take your money back within the 30 days guys. No problem guys, you can just try it out, and if you're satisfied, just stay with it. If you can't, just go and take your money back. Win-win situation for you guys. If you have any, imagine guys promoting thousands of affiliate products using hundreds of free products to attract subscribers. collecting your own landing pages and templates, customize landing pages with easy, being able to mix and match free offers and products, doing everything with just in a few clicks, all your pages being mobile responsive, all your pages built in a lightning speed, finally having a real affiliate system of your own, guys. So if you just go through this landing page, you can read what is this software called and how you can help with this software to grow your online business, guys. So this is the completely I think this is a completely all-in-one package for if you are a beginner. You can just go through this software and you can build your own affiliate marketing business, guys. So don't waste any time, guys. Just go with the link which will be found in description box so that you can grab my opportunity of giving huge bonuses to you. You can tag directly with me if you just join with the given description box link. So just go and just grab this opportunity, guys.